Man like Rawkus.
Who is this scene, Joel?
Who is this scene? Cheers.
Cheers. That's a weird cheers to me.
I love to cheers with food, you know. I love the front. I don't need a drink to cheers.
I hear you. I hear you.
You know, it's such a pleasure being in the black box when there's a kind of empty eeriness that just kind of bring in a kind of different type of atmosphere.
Yeah.
I've never been in this space.
Let me just rehearse it.
Yeah, and nobody's here. Just the band, just the vibes, you know. I mean, this space, what does this space mean to like you personally? I mean, having been with the band for so long.
I mean, this space means, it means so much. It means growth, development. It means legacy, tradition, family. All of those things are represented for me in this space because I've been here since before it was the black box, right?
No,
But I used to just use it as Bohemia.
I remember that. I look
Yeah.
back in those days. How long you been with the band, Rawkus?
God knows.
Yeah.
I don't know.
When they
What year was Jab in the Box?
He sound like he's about
5. In 2000,
2005.
so in 2005.
he
Right?
sound like he's about 80, yeah? Oh God,
Are you
boy,
even
hold
for
on,
me?
man.
If I is 80, he's 800.
So that was how long? That was how long?
2005, I was the DJ, well, the MC
Yeah,
for the Tricanal show, the MLF, which was the Music Liberation Front.
right.
And then I kind of just follow along ever since. And then in 2008,
When they'll say come.
yeah,
Come.
in 2008, I came back with a degree in engineering, sound engineering.
Okay.
And I joined the band as a sound engineer. We went to Spain and Momex, and I was kind of just around. And then
Nice.
I kind of faded from that into doing whatever it is I do here now.
What do you do here now?
I press buttons and dance.
The timing I see you press these buttons seem to be very important.
It seems to be.
Yeah, because if you don't press the button in time,
It's cost passing.
I think
That's all.
Yeah.
That's some cost that has passed from the front. I don't know where to start from. But it's just come from the front now, boy.
But you're a man of many talents. I mean, you host a morning show here now, and I say congratulations because
Thank you, sir.
You know I used to do my morning
Yeah,
show, right?
yeah.
And I mean,
I wanna be like you when I grow up.
watching you do it. I never saw you in that role, and you're growing so nicely in the role. But man of many trades, you said you're MC, you're host, you're a TV personality, you do this behind the scenes.
Yeah.
How do you fit all of that into a box, boy?
Into
a black box.
Well, it all started from DJing at the essence of everything else that I've been doing. So it all kind of just grows from there. And you know, I try to stay curious about what's next and what's possible. And even within the band, like when I started off, I think I was using the MPCs that the band had. And then we eventually graduated to the APC with the Ableton. And then I started to incorporate my DJing into it as well so that I could bring my thing to what it is. Because the band needs what it needs. And then I add my flavor on top of that.
And your flavor is so important because
I'd like to hope so, man.
Sometimes the boys performing in the front and your vibes to the back sometimes is just
Well, anything now, boy, Joel, that's not always intentional. It's not me, it's the music. You can blame that 100% on the music. But it's also tonight is the food, though. Tonight is the food.
Glad you're enjoying it. We're wrapping up. When we come back, Rawkus in the building, and then we talking to the Tricanal boys. We inside the black box.
Boys. Big hard work, man. About boys.
Boys will be boys.
Them my boys. We coming back. We inside the black box. Couple Joe in the band. The Cut and Clear crew. Boom.